What's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I uploaded any kind of video. We've been not really had much content to upload because it's been winter, so there's not really much car stuff going on. But we've been working on this thing. We've been working on the manual swap. It's pretty much done. The only thing left is to get the ECU sent out to Psych so they can change some stuff so the car will actually start and run like it's supposed to. There are some guys on this Facebook page I'm on that have been wanting to know my full parts list for everything because they want to swap theirs. So I'm going to go through that. It's got an SRT4 transmission. It's got the second gen Stratus RT sedan manual pedal assembly, second gen Stratus RT sedan manual shifter cables, the SRT4 shifter cable bracket, SRT4 axles, SRT4 starter, SRT4 intermediate shaft, SRT4 carrier bearing bracket, second gen Stratus RT sedan manual transmission bracket, second gen Stratus RT sedan manual clutch smasher cylinders and lines and the slave cylinder, and SRT4 XTD clutch, SRT4 flex plate, and then Stratus RT sedan manual shifter assembly. Now, also we changed some stuff on the car. We are going back to half interior from like here forward. We're going to have interior in it so it'll look more like street car-ish. We're not gonna have the radio or anything in it though. I also got really lucky to pick apart one day and found a Sebring TSI trunk, which has the super aggressive, like, I guess not super aggressive, but way more aggressive spoiler on it compared to the stock trunk, and it looks 100 times better. It completes the back of the car, for sure, and it just looks 10 times better with it. Not much else has changed, really. I still got the paint, truck wheel iron paint on the front that's going on the whole car. The shifter, the transmission sounds excellent. You can hear it when you shift. The shifter, like, it is just so crisp. The clutch does work. We've checked that already. If I put the e-brake down and let the clutch out in gear, it won't roll forward. Push the clutch in, it starts rolling. So the clutch does work. We know that for a fact. That rubbing that you heard was just the car because it's just so dang nasty low. But yeah, it's almost done. We'll be getting a lot more content out here soon because it's getting warm out. Car season starting back up. This thing will be pretty much ready to go right as car season starting up. And then yeah, I'm getting a lot more footage for you guys of this racing and embarrassing people, hopefully, because it's a freaking grandma car. But it should be fun. I'm excited for this car season. Excited to bash up this thing. It's been like, I'm pretty sure it's been 10 or 11 months almost now since I've driven this car, so